And Lima, Oscar Lima Whiskey for you, stop transmitting for the time being. There will be an emergency in progress on my frequency shortly.
Tower, Bonzo 1, emergency.
Bonzo 1, Eelde approach, runway 05, you are clear to land, the wind is 10007.
1 clear to land 05, copy all. 1 is 2 miles, clear down.
Bonzo 1, roger.
And Eelde, Bonzo 1 heads up, Bonzo 1 is going to be a dredge chute. Eelde, did you copy Bonzo 1 dredge?
Negative second.
Bonzo 1 is going to pull the dredge chute.
Bonzo 1.
Any preferred location to drop it off?
Any location is good. Are you happy to taxi?
Bonzo 1, affirm.
Bonzo 1, roger. And you can take first left Bravo and then hold for inspection.
Bonzo 1, welcome.
Thank you.
Bonzo 1, I just came from the range. Should be all VDUs disbanded and no guns, no bullets anymore in the gun.
Bonzo 1, roger.
Bonzo 1 holding at Bravo.
Bonzo 1, roger. We'll coordinate with the airport authorities. What are your intentions?
Bonzo 1, request a parking spot to shut down and contact my ops.
Bonzo 1, roger. And Bonzo 1 for the coordination. Is your APU active?
Bonzo 1, negative.
Okay, check. Okay, Bonzo 1, just waiting for your parking spot shortly. Expect taxi any moment.
Bonzo 1, copy all.
Then the fire brigade, of course, will be behind you, just to be sure.
Bonzo 1. And Bonzo 1, request.
Bonzo 1?
Bonzo 1, I might be expecting some damage, engine damage. So request to shut down on the runway and be towed to the parking spot available.
Bonzo 1, roger. Are you able to cross the yellow line and then shut down?
Bonzo 1, affirm.
Okay, to do so, and then copy it, shut down, and we'll arrange a tow.
Bonzo 1, I request chucks as well before shutting down.
Bonzo 1, roger. We'll arrange chucks. Okay, Bonzo 1, we arrange for chucks to arrive. So just to be sure, you're on engine idle, then chucks, then engine shutdown, then tow?
Bonzo 1, affirm, sir.
Bonzo 1, roger. And Bonzo 1, what will be the place for the chucks? They want to know.
Bonzo 1 is sufficient behind the main landing gear.
Okay, 1 chuck behind main landing gear. We'll pass it on, sir. Bonzo 1, that's either 1 left or 1 right, correct?
Bonzo 1, correct.
Thanks. Hi, Charlie Whiskey, Eelde, hello. We're in the process of finishing with an emergency, so for now the runway is blocked shortly. Continue via Echo Kalima towards Ostier to join the hold, and I will keep you updated.
And Bonzo 1 is shutting down at this point. It's taking too long for the trucks. I will be pressing the brake until the trucks arrive.
Okay, understood, Bonzo 1, so you're shutting down. We'll pass it on, sir. And Bonzo 1, give me a call when you're totally shut down. Charlie Whiskey for info, I expect the runway to be back to us in 10 minutes. If that will change significantly, I will keep you informed, of course.